top. I just turn off those two, and I'm gonna send this to the cut that there are profile later.
The drilling holes here.
Yeah, the first step are holes on the pockets, and then piping.
The profile set, right? So how many passes you doing?
2 passes.
Couple of passes, yeah.
The dirtiest day, yes. Most of the time when we come to the 8 p.m. So the material is not getting covered by glue directly. So there is a layer of masking tape.